Have you ever wondered what causes sudden infant death syndrome, also known as SIDS? It's a condition that affects seemingly healthy infants during their sleep, and scientists have made an intriguing discovery. They found a connection between mothers who smoke during pregnancy and a lack of oxygen during sleep, but it's not just the baby's brain that's affected. In this video, we'll explore the latest research on how prenatal exposure to nicotine can disrupt a baby's breathing and lead to SIDS. When babies at high risk of SIDS experience low oxygen levels, their ability to breathe properly becomes compromised. It's like their little bodies forget how to respond to this lack of oxygen. And during a SIDS episode, they may even stop breathing altogether. Researchers have found that nicotine exposure during pregnancy disrupts the normal response to low oxygen levels. One important sensory organ in the neck, called the carotid body, plays a crucial role in sensing oxygen levels and triggering the right breathing response. But in babies exposed to nicotine, this response is weakened because the key cells in the carotid body become less sensitive. But that's not all. There are other sensory fibers in the lungs and larynx that contribute to breathing problems in these babies. In babies exposed to nicotine, these fibers undergo changes that make their breathing even more unstable. Inflammatory substances are released, and specific receptors become more active, making breathing difficulties more severe. These discoveries show us that prenatal nicotine exposure can have a profound impact on a baby's ability to breathe properly. It's not just the brain that's affected, the body's peripheral sensory system plays a critical role too. Understanding these mechanisms brings us closer to unraveling the mysteries of SIDS. By creating a safer sleep environment and raising awareness about the dangers of smoking during pregnancy, we can protect our precious infants and prevent SIDS. Join us on this journey to discover more about SIDS and the vital research that aims to save lives. Together, we can ensure a healthier future for our little ones. If you enjoyed this video, you'll be sure to enjoy this one. Also, be sure to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you get notified when I release a new video. Be sure to check out some of the recipes on my channel as well.